Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In the previous video we learned about how to initialize Mongo client, creating database, creating collections, and how we can feed record to that collection. So in this video we are going to learn about two specific methods, which are this find one and find. So referencing it with or relating it with the SQL databases. This is similarly to the select statement, where the user can find the required data or any specific data or the entire table within the SQL database. So what the find one method does is that it will provide you the first column or the first record within the dictionary in the MongoDB database, and what this find only function does is that it will provide the entire record which is been fed into the collection. So if I speak about find one, it's like querying out something specific out of the collections, and when it comes to providing find, it will fetch out every data within the collection. That's it. So starting from the big, I'll just show you the steps. These are pretty similar. Importing Pymongo, creating object client, then providing parameters local host and default port, creating the DB and collection name DB table, and we have previously provided uh, the collection data. You can go and watch the previous video where I've shown how you can feed data into a collection. So we have already given the record or the data within the collection, and it is within this table, and this is the procedure. So this statement, what it does is that we have to initialize a object and my collection. So this is the table, so or the collection name, and find is the inbuilt function, find one is an inbuilt function. So let's run that out, save, and so as you can see, the first record within the table, you can go and check the previous video. In that we have given the record. The first ID is 1, name is John, and address is highway 37. So this is the function of find one method, and when it comes to just find, it will print out everything. I'll just save and run. So as you can see, it's like select star from the table, it will provide everything. So this is the pretty much difference. These are the one of the two methods which you can imply for fetching out the user provided data to be fetched out from the collection. These are two of the main methods. There are multiple different methods which will be covered in the future videos. So for this video, these are the two things which I am covering up, and the next video will see something more. So stay tuned for it guys, and thanks for watching.